Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jimmy's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple yet yummy recipe, so stick with me as I'll show you. Fruit custard is a common, delicious and creamy dessert recipe found among the Indians majorly, but personally I take it as either breakfast or dinner. So for breakfast, it is everything I need to start my day because it contains fruits and every essential nutrients I need for the day. And as dinner, it just wraps up everything, just wraps up the day for me. It is so delicious. You should try this. You really should. Okay, so in a small bowl, mix some custard. Here I have 3 spoons of custard. Mix it and make sure it doesn't have any lump. After that, set it aside. Then get your milk. Here I have 2.5 cups of milk. I'll allow it to boil slightly. I'll stir it, then add my sugar, and now after he boils for a minute, I'll add in my custard and stir continuously. At this point, I'm just stirring so the custard will thicken the milk and both of them will incorporate to form your creamy custard. All right, so keep mixing, avoid lumps, make sure it is lump free. Yes, that's the word. Now it's getting thick already. Keep stirring until you have your desired consistency. All right, so this is the perfect consistency for you. By the time you have this consistency, it is just perfect for you. So just leave it at this, then turn off the heat and let it cool down. When it cools, you see some particles on top of it. Just scrape it off and then begin adding your fruits. One important thing to note is that if you add in the fruits immediately after it is done, you would not enjoy it because the heat will cook the fruits, the heat of the custard. So you have to allow it cool down. Like, you really have to let it get cold before you add in all the fruits. So I added mangoes, chopped grape, and then apple, and I'll also be adding some nuts because I love nuts. I'll be adding some nuts. So currently I'm adding cashew nuts, which is very good for the health. Mix it together. At this point, you can just, after mixing, you can put it in your refrigerator to cool a little, or if you want it really chilled, maybe you're serving as dessert or something, you can dish it and then put it in your refrigerator. It will get very cold and it is nice. But I'll just take it now. I don't have all the time. It will still give me that richness and creaminess that I need. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, share, like, and turn on your notification bell so that you can see my next post whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.